Hey, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy Ant, and welcome back to the channel. And today, we coming at y'all with some TCM. I know it's been a little minute. The update finally hit. We got a new survivor. Her name's Virginia, and we finna see how she plays out. There's a new map. We finna try out both of them, hopefully in this video. And yeah, man, let's get straight into it. But let's read her description. Okay, haunted by the disappearance of her son years ago, Virginia left her nursing career behind and moved to Newt, Texas. Refusing to accept that her son is really gone, she spends every waking hour obsessing, scoring remote areas, talking to anyone who could potentially shed light on why Jesse suddenly vanished. One day, after noticing unusual behavior near a remote farmhouse, Virginia took it upon herself to investigate the property. But instead of finding Jesse, what she discovered was Maria, beaten and tortured, barely clinging to life. As the pair attempted to escape, they were immediately surrounded and captured. Now, Virginia finds herself trapped in a different kind of nightmare. So, could Maria still be alive then? Because it says she found her beaten and tortured, barely clinging to life. So that could possibly mean Maria is still alive. Toughness 30, endurance 32, strength is 15. Honestly, not too bad at all. What is it? That's probably like a Julie build. 20 minutes, and we finally got a game. All right, we've been waiting for this game for 20 minutes.
Oh God, it hurts.
We are on a new map
Get out of here.
and a new character, so that's the good thing. But other than that, 20 minutes to find a game is honestly insane. By all means.
Just go.
Okay. So I know her new ability is gonna have like the poison or powder, whatever you want to call it.
I should be able to fit.
But I can't find the poison. I know he's nearby though. Okay, we're on the new map though. He didn't see me. That's a good thing.
Finally.
Might as well
I
snag a
think I
bone
can use
scrap.
that. Don't come over here, please.
Hold on. Are we up? Oh shit, Hitch is down here too.
Jesse, I know you're here.
Wow.
You have to be.
What the fuck is this? Where's this lead? What the hell? Oh, there's Leatherface right there. Man, we made it so... They made this huge, boy. Okay. Are they over here? Okay, there's Leatherface.
Damn, not again.
Okay, there's Leatherface again. We're in the exterior area. Sounds like somebody's over here by me, though. Okay, yeah, Hitchhiker. Here's Hitchhiker. Blow the face again. Okay, the valve spawn's right there. I don't know what our plan is. I'm pretty much just looking around the map. Pick the valve. Okay, valve's up top. Go ahead and turn the valve on.
Boy has to. No, he is.
I'll grab both of these.
Oh, God. This is horrible.
Grab both of these.
I gotta
Just in case.
stay quiet. There they are. Are they gone?
I still haven't found the powder yet.
Is that?
What's over here? Okay, TV.
I have to find my boy.
No way they're DCing. Where's the powder spot?
Please don't see me. Please. Damn. I have to be more careful.
Woo! Got the exit gates right here.
Where
Come on,
are
Leather.
you?
We're good. You just got Grandpa to level 1. This actually is a huge map. Like, really huge. Okay, there's a bone scrap over here. More health. Yeah, I could have easily left, but I kind of want to just explore the map. See, they got like the valve already.
Shit. Did they see me?
Go. I'm trying to find the one table, the potion table. I want to try to use her ability. Okay, they turned generator off. Bullshit.
Okay. I'm safe for now.
Oh, here it is. Here it is. Here it is.
Be careful.
Go ahead and collect the powder. Yeah, I'm just trying to have fun. You feel me? I'm just trying to have fun. It's been 20 minutes. It took me 20 minutes to actually get in a game.
Damn. Not again. I think I can use that.
Okay, he stalled out.
Stanley, where he is?
Okay. Nah. Okay, now we can get out of here.
Baby boy has to be here. I know he is.
I know the boon is supposed to heal or blind him. Yeah, so she's a whole ass mom. She's a mom in this bitch. Mama V. Mama V. And knocked his little ass down. Mama V don't play. Alright. I know it's bad. It was gonna be a Virginia. But we were in a mill with Danny. We tried to get Virginia, but you know, I ain't sitting here and wasting another 20 minutes trying to find a game. So I take what I can. But hey, we on a mill, so at least that's a plus, right?
What's that?
At least that's the plus.
This I'm struggling to find lock boxes down here still. Let's find a lock box and cool.
Alright, yeah, I'm trying to find a door. I'm about to open Leatherface lair.
Found the door in the tunnels. I hate I can't find any lock boxes.
Yeah, it'd be like that sometimes.
Right? I see a lock box in a door.
Oh, right here. It's back here. There's one back here.
Awesome. Thank you.
No problem. If I can find it again. I know I just had it right here.
Cool, okay.
It'll be to your left.
Okay. Got it, thank you.
I'm just not going to sit here and look for matches. Like, we've been recording for an hour and only got one match. Well, two matches. This is my second match. So, you know, I'm going to take what I can. But hey, at least we got one match by Virginia. I'll take it. I'll take it over anything. Let's check this. This hitchhiker. Hitchhiker's sitting over there. I know there's a TV from last game up here.
I'm not gonna open up shit, I'm just gonna go upstairs. And then I'll open up shit.
Yeah, it's definitely a maze. It's definitely a maze.
That one already got the battery off.
Check this.
Let me try that.
Oh, okay. Here we
Don't
go.
do it!
Here's a toolbox. Okay, we got a tool. Oh, there's two lockpicks in here. What the fuck?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to go to battery way.
Okay. I did get one of the gates open, the left side towards the generator.
Okay. Battery's open over here. I think Julie's got everything locked in. He does. Okay, so you got this all the way unlocked. I'm gonna go and grab a valve. What the? Who just has one sitting right here? Oh, got that.
They're everywhere.
On got that. Let's go, Julie. I haven't used Danny in a minute, and they just totally nerfed this man. That's gonna be it for this video. I tried to play the last match as Virginia, but like I said, I could not. The timing to get into these games now is honestly insane. They need to have a fix on that. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed the video. At least we got 2 games on the mill back to back. And yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed the video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, share with y'all friends. Yeah, man, if y'all like this type of content, I will continue to post more videos of this. We need to fix this game. That's all I gotta say. We need to fix this game. They need to fix this game. Focus on the gameplay, please. For the love of God, please focus on the whole gameplay. This game will be all right. This game has potential, but I just feel like they're money hungry. I feel like they're money hungry. That's my opinion. But yeah, man, I hope y'all enjoyed. Yep. Shout out to y'all. Deuces.